Being energetic makes one feel better about oneself. It is one major factor that decides your happiness. Because if you are tired and low in energy, even things that usually makes you happy will make you feel overwhelmed. In this video, I'm sharing being a mom to a 4-year-old, how I keep myself energetic and motivated the whole day. First and foremost, drinking water mindfully. One of the most healthiest way to replenish your energy is by drinking water. Drink water to kill that fatigue. You can surely give water the kick it needs by adding lemon and fruits like watermelon. Infuse your plain water to make you drink more, but the bottom line is to stay hydrated with the help of water. Of course, there are many beverages options beside water. One being coffee. I am certainly a coffee lover and I know it increases alertness as it has caffeine in it. But at the same time, I am well aware of the repercussions of not drinking coffee judiciously. After I have my morning coffee, if at all I feel like having it again during the day, I trick my mind by using a smaller cup. And it definitely works for me. You can also try this method to see if it works for you in reducing the amount of caffeine intake. When infusing the water with lemon, remember to remove the seeds and infuse it maximum for 2 to 3 hours. Otherwise, it may turn the water bitter. Start your day with a well balanced breakfast. Choosing the right type of food for your breakfast will make a big difference in your energy level that will get you through the day. Oatmeals are a go-to and a quick breakfast for me. It is so simple to make and you can add different nuts and fresh fruits to jazz it up. Oats are complex carbohydrate with fiber content and has lot of health benefits. They also are loaded with vitamins and minerals. Increase the protein content by adding peanut butter to it. Enjoy the healthy breakfast and have a great start to your day. There are many times where you just can't make yourself do anything. Even I face this challenge, and the best way dealing with it is to be your self coach. We all have done self coaching before without even realizing it. Talk the next action plan to yourself to get that momentum started till you just make yourself do it. They say no one knows you better than yourself. So come up with the action plan and take those teeny tiny steps, maybe like just getting up and booting up your computer. Trust me, it works most of the time. If your engine has starting problem, just fix it and you're good to go. I recently enjoyed taking a walk alone. I read that spending time in solitude helps in optimizing life and also helps in having better relationship with others. I find being in solitude help me to do deep thinking, dry run my plans and even help me exercise my faith. So I find this time as the only time when I get to focus on my thoughts and feeling and not focus on others. I find walking alone is a great way of achieving this alone me time as you are exercising both mentally and physically. You too can try this and reap its benefits. And the last but not the least, be creative. Find time for doing creative things because if you see it, creativity exists everywhere. Being creative is very important. When I do some creative things, I find myself in a state where I lose complete sense of self and time, which in turn helps me to reduce anxiety, lift up my mood, and helps in relaxation. Any creative act helps the mind to focus, which is like meditation, and we all know the benefits of meditation. So find time for that creative person in you. Embrace your today. With that lovely thought, if these things not work for you and you still feel like low energy and want to lie down, then go ahead and just take a nap. It will also definitely help you to energize. On that note, I'm ending the video. Hope you liked it. Please like, share and subscribe to my channel and don't forget to click the notification button. See you in the next video. Till then, take care.